Hello guys, welcome back to the second part of the episodes working on Black Beauty Avante. In this second episode, I'm gonna be dealing with something that has been happening. It happened a couple times already that it doesn't want to pass the 17 psi. So I found out a couple issues that was happening with the setup that I had and obviously with the boost controller. And then after that, I find out that the boost controller was burned out. But I'm gonna be showing you the video so you guys can see what happened. Enjoy it. All right, guys. So I've been dealing with this car for a couple weeks already. One of the issues that I keep having is that the car doesn't want to pass 17 psi, which it should be pushing more. Uh, so what we find out what it was the Mac valve. The one that I had, it wasn't like a Mac valve. It was like a Chinese brand, and I didn't know it wasn't working. So that's one of the reasons that I've been stuck at 17 psi. And besides that, the whole routing it got changed again. I will be showing you the new routing that I'm gonna be having, and hopefully with this setup, now I can pass the 70 psi. Let's go and see. So the new routing is before it was hooked over here. Before everything, it was hooked over here. Then it was passing a line through here, which I already explained all this. And then from here, all the way to this band over here for the turbo. So now the new routing is going to be in the bottom, straight up in the back, because I'm not going to be using that side, and straight in the back, and then to the mag valve. This is the hose. It goes on number 1. Number 3, I used to have set up the Profec, the boost controller, which is wrong because this is a breather. So now it should be unplugged. So before I used to be running it over here, which it was from this T over here to here. And now the other new setup is running from here, getting signal like air supply to this T, and then this T is gonna send the signal to the Profec, which is over here, and then it gets connected to this, and then it goes on number 3. I mean number 2. 3 is this one, and the Wastegate, I mean the blow valve, is gonna be coming straight from the intake to this fitting over here, to this one. So straight signal or straight air supply from the intake, and then the rest is gonna be coming over here. Supposedly, this is the correct way. How I find out that this map valve it wasn't working. The first thing is I cut it over here. This is the factory plug over here, this gray one, and this one is the one that come with the Mac valve. So basically, it was one cable loose, and the other cable it was this one. I got it because I'm saving this because if it doesn't work, then I got the plug and everything. So I'm gonna be saving this for now. And plus, I don't want no check engine light about this, so we will see. And then, supposedly, when you touch both ends on a terminal of the batteries, like negative and positive, it should be doing a clicking sound. And mine, it wasn't no making no clicking sound. But the other thing that I noticed that in this Mac valve, you see 2 wires they're coming out. But on this one, it's only 1 wire coming out. And the other one, it was hanging by itself. So that's one of the things. And if you guys want to check this Mac valve, just touch. It doesn't matter what side it is. It runs on both the same way. One negative and one positive, and you will be hearing a clicking sound, like a click click. So if you hear that sound, that means that it's good. But on this one, it wasn't doing nothing. So I'm gonna be removing this. Obviously, this one is a completely Mac one. You see that it says Mac. This one it doesn't say nothing. So I'm gonna be replacing this one. If you guys wanna get this one, this is the code right here. That should be the correct one. So we're gonna be doing that, removing it, swapping it, and then we'll see. That's the issue. It was broken. That's where the cable goes. So that's why it wasn't working. And now it's gonna get connected over here. This is the controller for the GReddy Profec, the boost controller. So it's gonna get connected over there to send signal. Now I'm gonna start it to see if it works. So right now the Profec is not turning on. Let me find out and then I'll show you what it was. Alright guys, so I find out what's happening with my car that is not boosting no more than 17 psi turbo. So basically my Profec, GReddy, it got burned out. I don't know how it happened, it just got burned. So I got this one now, I'm gonna be replacing, but I'm gonna be changing a lot of stuff over here because it's crazy what's happening over here. So just I'm gonna show you what I'm doing and then we will see if it start boosting more. Alright, now it's time to see if it works. So I'm gonna finish all this and then I'm gonna show you when the car starts and everything. so we're good. Guys, so after a couple passes, the Profec, it was almost in 90% of the set. So that means I'm getting, everything is working now, but I'm getting limited because of the springs that I got on the Wastegate. So I'm gonna remove them. I'm gonna try to see if I can get bigger springs or stronger springs so they can hold more boost.